the excellence of Shab al-Qadr. Hazrat Sayyiduna Malik bin Anas narrates that the Messenger of Allah, PBUH, was shown the ages of all creatures. Because of their young age, the Ummah will not be able to do as many good deeds as the earlier Ummahs, so Allah Almighty granted the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, the night of Qadr, which is better than the 1,000 months of other Ummahs. Under the verse, 3. Virtue of worshipping on the night of Qadr. The Messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, said, whoever worships on the night of power with faith and sincerity, his past sins will be forgiven. Hakim ul Ummat Mufti Ahmed Yar Khan, may Allah have mercy on him, writes in the explanation of this holy hadith, by the blessing of fasting in Ramadan, minor sins are forgiven, and by the blessing of Taraweeh, major sins are lightened, and by the blessing of worshipping the night of Qadr, the level is increased. Allama Abdul Rauf al-Minawi, may God bless him and grant him